Okay guys, so welcome back to day 2 in Reno. Sadly our AC went out, so we are here, but the weather's so crazy. Like I was showing you guys earlier, but look at the weather. It's sprinkling a little bit, but it's super hot and stuff. I guess it's because of the heat wave. It's like kind of sprinkling everywhere. Even in Sac it's drizzling over there too, but here it's raining a little bit in Reno. So we are about to leave Boomtown. We're about to head to get something to eat because the wait time here for Mills Diner is like way too long. We're gonna go into the city and just get something there. We went to White Island yesterday, and then we just came back home to sleep. And then today we're heading back. I think we're gonna go to the Legends again, like how we did last time. We need to get some extra clothes, and we also need to get some essential like shower, shampoo, conditioner, and stuff like that. So that's where we're heading right now. So I will see you guys once we get there. How do you like it? Good. What did you get? Vanilla graham cracker and fruity pebble. Come over here. Over here. Wendy, does it taste like vanilla ice cream? It's a little bit sour. Hey guys, well we are finally checked into GSR already. So we've been here for like 2 hours already. I just woke up from my nap. Leisha and Rocky's still napping right now, but we haven't done much because I don't know if I told you guys earlier, but then there's like a fire near here, so then the air quality is super bad. It's super smoky and foggy outside right now, so we are just gonna stay inside for as long as we can and stuff. So yep, that's what we have planned for today. Probably not much vlogging, so I'm probably going to combine this vlog with tomorrow's vlog. I'm not sure what we're going to do tomorrow either, but I'll show you guys a view from our room of the smoke in the air right now, because there's even like ash particles coming down here too. So I don't know how close the fire is or anything like that, but we just noticed that this morning when we woke up, it kind of like sprinkled a little bit. It's not as hot, but it's just super like foggy and stuff. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm just going to give you guys a tour of our room really quick and show you guys what it looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys know what the room at GSR look like, but we are today on the 24th floor, so I'm just going to give you guys a tour. This room is a lot darker than our room that we were in before, but yeah. So when you walk in, this is the door behind you, and then this is what the room looked like. It's super dark. So it comes with a little closet space right here. A little like coffee area right here. Here I am vlogging. Comes with a bunch of little pantry space. The little fridge right here, which the only thing we have right here is just water and soda. And then to the right, here I am again recording. There's a lot of mirrors here. So this is the bathroom. It's super dark. It has like toilet here, and then it has the walk-in shower. This is the bathroom, and then you go straight, and there's this little chair. We already made a mess. And then it has like the standard TV, the little like desk area with the light. We just put all our junk there. It comes with 2 queen bed, and of course Leisha sleeping here in this one, and then me and Rocky sleeping in this one. And this is the room. It has a nice size mirror right here. I love this mirror. I need one like this for my house. This is a good size room for us. And then like I said, we're on the 24th floor, so this is our view of the parking lot, and you can see the freeway. But if you guys remember, like our last time we were here, you could see like the mountains and everything so nicely, but like I said, because of the fire, it's so like cloudy and stuff, like you can't really see anything. So yeah, it's super bad. So we're just gonna stay inside. Yeah, so we decided that we're just gonna stay inside. It's about like 5 o'clock right now, so we're probably just gonna watch some TV, get some dinner from downstairs, and then just that's it for today, because we really can't do anything. We don't want to drive because our AC is out, and then because of the pollution in the air, the smoke and everything like that too. So I don't know, we'll see what we get into tomorrow, but we might even just go home tomorrow night too. So I don't know. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.